Let's see one more question. So remaining questions are very easy. These whatever I enter on the board, these are the only questions are written logical. And look at here again they given one more question like same. C matrix is given like 0 0 4 0 4 0 4 0 0. Previous question is I given 5 here 4. So here first option square matrix, second option diagonal matrix, third option unit matrix, fourth option none. Which one of the option is right? Square matrix. Okay. And next question is when A is equal to 0 1 1 0, then which implies A square is equal to what? Option one is 0 1 0 or 1 0. Option 2 is 0 0 1 1. Option 3 is 0 0 1 1. Option D is 1 0 0 1. Which one of the option is right? Which is the right option?
Fourth option.
Fourth option, identity matrix, right? So remaining like for example, x minus y to x 5 is equal to like 2 to 3 5. What is x value and what is y value? Here they are asking the value of y. Already in this question I given in flip test. I was given flip test, right? What is the answer of y?
One, sir.
Okay. One is right answer. Okay, this matrices objective questions are easy only. Let's go for determinant. In determinant, the first objective question is okay. If capital A, B, and C are angles of triangle, so angles of a triangle ABC, then they are asking the determinant value. Determinant of -1 cos C, cos B, cos C -1 cos A. So cos B cos A -1 is equal to what? First option, A option is 0, B option is -1, C option is 1, D option is none. Just all of you check it. -1, okay, -1 cos C, cos B, cos C, like indirectly they given symmetric matrix. Okay, so they given condition A, B, C are angles of triangle. Already we know that angles of triangle A plus B plus C is equal to 180. The sum of the given angles should be equal to 180. So that you can take the value, you can take A, B, C value, you can substitute. Don't simplify here. Don't expand directly. Expand directly, it will be lengthy. So that you can substitute A value, B value, C value. You can take the like you can take A is equal to 60 degrees, B is equal to 60, C is equal to 60. Otherwise, A is equal to 45, B is equal to 45, C is equal to 90. So substitute A is equal to like it's better to substitute pi by 3, B is equal to pi by 3, C is equal to pi by 3. So in this case, what about cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2, 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 1 by 2. You can simplify that, you will get any one of the answers. Just tell me what is the answer. Cos 60 is clearly 1 by 2. Substitute 1 by 2. Like that you can do. Okay. A is equal to 2 lambda minus x. Do it. 0 to 5, 1, 1, 3. Then A inverse exists. A inverse exists if first option lambda is equal to 2. Second option lambda should not equal to 2. Third option lambda should not equal to minus 2. D option none. All of you do this both. I hope so everyone got first one answer.
Sir, first one answer 0, sir.
First one answer 0.
Yes, sir.
Is it 0? Okay.
So,
Let's see others. How many of you got 0? You can take C value 90, otherwise 45, 45. 90 nothing but this becomes 0, 0. Just 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Like that also you can take and you can simplify. So the first one answer is yes, 0 is right answer. Let's what about this one? What you understood here? Clearly, if A is equal to, here A is given and one condition is given. Otherwise, take this value 60, 60, 1, you can replace 1 by 2, 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 55. You will get the answer is 0. Okay, coming to second one, A inverse exists. What is the mean by A inverse exists? When A inverse exists, if lambda is equal to 2, or lambda not equal to 2, or lambda not equal to minus 2, which one of the option is right? Okay, for what case the A inverse is exists? What is A inverse actually? A inverse is 1 by delta A into 1 by delta A into adjoint of A. See, A inverse exists only determinant is not equal to 0. If determinant is equal to 0, A inverse does not exist because 1 by 0 undefined, infinite. So whenever determinant is non-zero, A inverse exists. Just to find determinant and just you can take not equal to 0 because clearly they given A inverse exists. A inverse exists only for determinant is non-zero. Like find determinant and not equating to 0, then you get lambda value. Just tell me what is lambda from this. Possible. And one of the question is given like if A and B are invertible. A comma B are invertible, then which one of the following is not correct? Which one of the following is not correct? First one is first option. Adjoint of A is equal to delta A into A inverse. B option is delta A inverse is equal to delta A whole inverse. And C option is AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. And D option is A plus B whole inverse is equal to B inverse plus A inverse. Which one of the option is wrong? First, coming to this question, what is the answer you got, everyone? What is the determinant value you got? Left side and equating to non-zero. What is delta value? Two into 6 minus 5, 2. 2 minus lambda into AD minus BC minus 5 lambda minus 3 into AD minus BC minus 2 plus 6 plus 2 minus lambda. So what is the answer? You got
Please move, sir. What's the third option, sir?
you're saying about which option? What is lambda value you are getting? Left side value. Yes. Minus 5 lambda or plus 5 lambda is equal to, I think, 8. Am I correct? Sorry, 5 lambda not equal
Yes,
to
sir.
8. 5 lambda not equal to means lambda not equal to 8 by 5. Is there any option? No option, so the D option is right. Huh? Why are you taking this much time? So clearly lambda not equal to 8 by 5 you got, so that there is no option, option D is right. No. Okay, let's, which one is not correct? This is a formula, already everyone knows that this is right. This is a formula because A inverse is equal to 1 by delta A to adjoint of A. This delta A you can cross multiply. You can cross multiply. So adjoint of A is equal to delta A into A inverse. This is also right. Then among these two, which one is wrong? First, do it first. Okay, the value of determinant, the value of determinant A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, and B plus C plus A plus B, A, B, C is equal to what? They ask the value of, here option A is A cube plus B cube plus C cube, option B is 3BC, option C is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. D option is none. Yeah, which one of the option is right? Here, first of all, coming to this question, which is not correct? Anyone? In these two, which one is wrong? So look at here, this is wrong, not correct, because A plus B whole inverse can be written as 1 by delta of A plus B into adjoint of A plus B. A inverse formula, A inverse 1 by delta A into adjoint of A. So this is clearly not equal to B inverse A inverse. This is clearly not equal to B inverse A inverse. One, otherwise you can check You can take any two non-zero matrices and you can check it. So this is wrong. This is right only. Okay. So det A whole inverse can be written as 1 by 5. Det A inverse. This will be always right. Okay, option. Coming to discussion, which one is right? How will you simplify this? You want to expand this like taking plus minus plus. Don't expand this type of question. Not only NCERT level, even board, I mean JEE mains level also. Don't expand. Just take some ABC value, A value, B value, C value. You can substitute three different values. Like I want to take here A is equal to some minus 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 2. Okay. You can substitute these three values here and you will get some value here. The same values you can substitute in options also. So whatever the values are equal, that option will be right. Okay, substitute A is equal to minus 1 and B is equal to 1, C is equal to 2. Don't substitute here, don't take any one of the value 0 because if you substitute 0 here, 0, yes, 0 we will get. So that whenever we are having multiplication sum, like A, B, C, B, C, A, like in that case, don't take 0. You can take non-zero and different values. Yes, substitute this values and simplify it. Minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1 is minus 2. Here minus 1 and here C minus 2 minus 3. Here adding both 0. Sorry, B plus C 3, C plus A 1, 0. And here minus 1, 1, 2. You can simplify this determinant value. What is the answer you need?
Sir, 14, sir.
Yeah, this answer will be 14. Then we substitute the same values in the option. Substitute in first option, minus 1 cube. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Plus 1 cube is 1. And 2 cube is 8. 8. 8 not equal to 14. Okay, first option is wrong. 3 into 1 into 2, 6. 6 not equal to 14. This is also wrong. Third option minus 1 cube is minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 1 plus 8 minus minus 3ABC. Minus 3ABC value is 3 into minus 1, 1, 2. Minus into minus plus 3 to the 6, 6 plus, yeah, plus 1 minus 1 gap. 8 plus 6 is 14. So option 3 is right. Okay, like that you can check. And one more question they given clearly. Look at it. There are two values of A, two values of small a, such that determinant of 1 minus 2 5, 2a minus 1, 0 4 2a is equal to 86. Then sum of these numbers. First option 4, second option 5, third option minus 4, D option is 9. See, if you Find determinant and equating to 86, you will get two A values. Clearly, like given two values of A. You will get two A values. You can add in the both A values, then we will get one of the option is right.
Sir,
Yeah.
so the video is blurred, sir.
Okay.
Now it's full, sir.
Right. What is the which one of the option is right? Tell me first. I don't know if few of students are absent in the classes. In some classes, 68 students will be present, and in some of the classes, 70 students. Right now, 58 students. Hmm? I think the remaining students are very clever. Those are not attending different classes. So consider this as a like text and giving the question. You can try to find the answer as soon as within short term. Okay. If you find within short time, then it will be very, very useful to you. Okay. Don't neglect the class. Be present, right? After expanding, what is the equation you got? Left side value. What is the left side of determinant value? 1 into 4a plus 4. So 4a plus 4 plus 2 into 4a. 4a plus 4 plus 2 into 4a nothing but plus 8a. Here 5 into 8. 5 into 8, 48. Is it right? 12a is equal
Sir,
to
it will be 2a square plus 4, no, sir.
Also,
Yes, sir.
2a square plus 4. What is the quadratic equation we got left side? 2a square
Plus 8a plus 44.
plus 44 is equal to 86. That 86 we can take left side minus 86. So minus 86 plus 44. 42 86 is equal to 0. 2 take common. A square plus 4a minus 21 is equal to 0. Yes or no? What are the factors of minus 21? Minus 21 factors are 7, 3 are. So 7 into minus 3. What are the A values? One is minus 7 plus 3. Is it right? And simplify this, find this equation, you will get A values are minus 7 plus 3. Because 1 into minus 21 is minus 21, factors of minus 21 is 7 into minus 3. So 7 minus 3 becomes plus 4. So answers are A values are minus 7 plus 3. Adding this is equal to minus 4. The option is right. Let's do one more question. So try to find all the question within 2 to 3 steps only. Don't take more steps. 1 or 2 steps are maximum 3 steps. Try to finish. So here another question, x plus 2y. Sorry, x plus y, x plus 2y. So x plus 2y, x plus y, x plus y, x plus 2y, x. This is a question. Here, so the value of these determinant is first option. What is the value of this determinant? Is equal to first option. A option is 9x square into x plus y. See how to find the determinant. You can take x and y, like x is equal to 2, you can take y is equal to, you can take 1. You can check it. Better to take x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. If you take 2 here, 2 plus 2, 4. But if you take x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, this will become 5. So better to take a small value. Instead of 5, if it is 4, simplification becomes easy. The option is.
Sir, we can take 0 and 1 also, no, sir?
0 means here maybe 2 options may be right. What are the values you want to take 0? X value you want to take 0. If you take x value 0, see first option right, fourth option. Like I will write the options here. 9y square into x plus y. The option is 3y square. 3y square x plus y. The option is 7x square x plus y. If we take any one of the value is 0, for example, x value is 0 and y value is 1. See, first option, fourth option will be right. 0 into any value 0, 0 into 0. But if you take y value is 0, then second option, third option becomes same, 0, 0. So that better to take different values. So don't take x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to plus 1, because all options will be right. Minus 1 plus 1, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0, like. Take different values like x is equal to 1, y is equal to, sorry, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Or else you can take this value. Your wish, any value. Not only that, you can take x is equal to 5, y is equal to 10. Okay, but we'll get lengthy value, large value. Instead of that, better to take very small value. So, in the expansion, if you expand that, it will take nearly 5 to 6 minutes, so that better to substitute that value, it will take 1 to 2 minutes.
So second option.
Second option. What is the determinant value you got here? After substituting the value?
27, sir.
27. What you substitute first?
X is 2 and Y is 1.
Let's see now. 27 is x is 2, y is 1. Y is 1 means 9 into 1 into 3, 27. Substitute the same values here. 9 into 2 square is 4, which is more than 27. Substitute here. X is equal to 2, 2 square 4, that is more than 27. Here it is less than 27. So, right, B option is Right. Okay. So I plan to take today objective class from 3 to 4. Do you have any class 3 to 4?
3 to 4 we have chemistry class.
Chemistry class.
Chemistry class. 4 to 5. Yes. For all sections.
Okay.
For all sections. Like let's finish determinant.
No
All
class,
question.
sir.
Okay, right. Today alone, okay? Because on second you have exam, so that I am taking. Otherwise, I don't take because till 4 we are in classes. You might be tired. So due to exam, I am taking the class today. 4 to 5 all sections. Try to write all students. Okay, try to attend the exam. JEE field must. Remaining also try to write this exam. Okay. So today 4 to 5 class. We'll discuss NCERT only, right? NCERT, like this type of questions they might be asked in JEE. So here another question they given, like if small a comma b comma c are in AP, I think so session is going to be N. Anyway, let's see. ABC are in AP. AP nothing but 2B is equal to A plus C. It will be satisfied this condition. Then what is the determinate value of x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 4, x plus 4, x plus 5, and x plus 2a, x plus 2b, x plus 2c is equal to what? Is it equal to A option is 0, B option is 1, C option is x, D option is 2x. Okay, here remember that condition 2b is equal to A plus C. They given ABC or AP, so that remember this condition. Whenever ABC or AP arithmetic progression 2b value is A plus C. If it is GP, B square is equal to A. Here also same values you can substitute any one of the x values. Like take x is equal to some 2 because 0 will be there, 1 will be there. Better to take x is equal to 2 substitute. X value substitute 2. And we can try. At last we can apply that condition A, B, C are AP. So already you studied the complex numbers. In that cube root of unity is very important. The cube root of unity means 1 omega square. Already you studied about 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Omega cube value is 1. Okay, then omega power 6 also 1 because multiple of 3. Omega power 9 also 1. Omega power 12 also 1, like that. So based on this, there are 3 questions are there. Let's see that question. Four to five only objective class, right? You can try this. What is the answer you got? Based on this one question is given like 1 omega square 1 omega square omega 1 is equal to what? If you remember that above formulas, it will become very easy. So options are first option is 1, option is 2, C option is 0, D option is omega. Okay. Very easy, you can expand this. Otherwise, R1 plus R2 plus R3, 1 plus omega plus omega. In that case also you will get the answer. Otherwise, you can expand directly. You will get directly any one of the answer. But remember these two conditions. Recently, Vijay Deverakonda started one foundation. Hero Vijay Deverakonda. Like it is related to some social services due to this corona. And why I am saying that means